Hello, this is the PowerPoint Chapter 2 assignment for the Beyond the Classroom. And for this one, we had to create a social media marketing campaign for a fictional company. And I made up a company called Green Luxury Living. It's a little silly, but I thought it might be suitable. So Green Luxury Living makes everyday essentials made from 100% recyclable materials. And I made up a couple of hashtags to go along for people interested in following the brand and also sharing their own relationship with it. Using a template that I found online per the instructions, it said to go to templates.office.com to find a template for the presentation. And I thought this was a nice template, and I liked the images. I thought they were suitable for the presentation. So the idea behind this campaign, Love Life with Blux Life, pushing forward a green products made with recyclable materials, luxury products made with recyclable materials that also for which the proceeds go to environmental causes. And then I broke down a little bit, how that takes place, working with rural and urban communities to generate raw materials for the products manufactured in the United States, and then an indication for the social media, the different platforms that the brand can be found. Breaking down a little bit more about the brand here, that might be of interest. Again, highlighting the hashtags for each of the for followers and for users to follow the brand and also share their own experiences with it, and a little bit more detail here, and then using some data to show some of the statistics for local versus global impact, and then finally over here, encouraging a call to action to join the movement, for the users to join the movement, again following the hashtags and indicating which social media platforms the brand exists on. In addition to this, I also created in print preview, you can see handouts that a handout that has using the header and footer feature as well, and the date that it was created. These will also be submitted.